We don't do things just because they've always been done that way, or because we heard it works. We follow a process of our own creation. And while most wineries set out to make a variety of different wines, we focus on just two. Because of the microclimates in the Russian River Valley, each block ripens a little differently. So we test them every morning. We look at the condition of the vines, taste the fruit, and check the sugars in the lab. The beauty of winemaking is the balance it requires. If tradition suits our purpose, we follow it. If the right thing to do doesn't exist yet, we invent it. After they're picked from the vine, grapes are very sensitive to temperature changes. Our one-of-a-kind cooling tunnel keeps them cold, protecting the flavors right up to the moment the fruit is pressed. Our small, dedicated year-round staff triples in size come harvest. We've only had 3 head winemakers here since we opened in 1981.
I see my job as basically upholding the vision that this winery has always had. We make food-friendly, fruit-forward Burgundian-style wines. The fine grain and careful toasting of the French oak barrels keeps it from being too oaky and allows the natural aromas and flavours of the wines to speak for themselves. The terroir of Chardonnay here in the Russian River Valley really gives us these bright fruit characters of lemon and lime, stone fruit like peach and nectarine, which really suit the styles of Sonoma-Cutrer Chardonnays.
This is more than the culmination of a year's work. Some vines are over 30 years old. The grooming and cultivation of this land goes back even further. It's a life's work, inspired by Burgundian traditions and executed on Sonoma soil. It's a balance of centuries-old ideas with modern technology. We borrow and create. We mix and blend until we know we've achieved a perfectly unique balance of everything.